So this is the okay. First, let me wish, because abhi tak mera laptop is not started, so I have to take your class from mobile. Anyways, so if possible, anyone will read about the author of this chapter. Just open the chapter, the case of copied question paper. And Tanvi, because just right now you are unmute, can you please read the writers section for me? The introduction or the information which is written for the writer. Can you please?
Yes, about the author. The author is Ignatius Conan Doyle, was a British writer and physician, most noted for his fictional stories about the detective Sherlock Holmes, which are generally considered milestones in the field of crime fiction. During his writing career, Sir Arthur wrote 21 novels and over 150 short stories. He is also the author of fantasy and science fiction, which includes 3 novels, 2 short stories. The Last Word, 1912, The Poison Well, 1913, and The Last Land of Mist, 1926.
Okay, thank you so much, beta. So, students, I think everybody used to love mysteries. Even I. I used to have some mystery, love to watch movies who are having some mysteries, some plot which will grab my attention. So Arthur Conan Doyle was a writer. Till now, whatever I know about him, is a writer who loves to write the mysterious story. Mystery in the sense कि आप ये समझो कि जिसमें कुछ रहस्य है ना. टिल नाउ आपको ये क्यूरियोसिटी रहती है कि हु इज़ द कल्प्रिट, हु इज़ द क्रिमिनल. आदित्यराज, अच्छा एक एक चीज़ है बच्चों, बिकॉज मैं लैपटॉप से हमेशा क्लास लेती रहती हूँ, तो सेटिंग्स ये मत सोचना आप कि मैम कुडंट डू द सेटिंग्स. चैट्स वगैरह आप लोग अवॉइड करेंगे बच्चों, चैट्स वगैरह में नहीं जाएंगे, ठीक है? ओके. So he was a writer who loves to write some mystery, है ना. Even though in this story the case of copied question paper, when we will read, somebody is messaging कि मैम ने ये explain कर दिया है. Explanation हो गया है आपका ये? तन्वी?
Yes, ma'am, our teacher has started teaching us the story right now.
She started or she has finished?
She has started, and we have discussed up to page number 61.
That means you all are familiar with the story section. What is the what the basically is?
Recording in progress. Recording in recording in recording in recording in recording in recording
Okay, I finally got connected with the laptop. Oh my god, है ना. Okay. बुक तो शायद आज शेयर नहीं कर पाऊंगी बिकॉज ऐसे ही ऑलरेडी वी आर लेट. सो नाउ we can have some face-to-face conversations. Okay, Srishti Singh, can you please unmute yourself, Srishti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just read the first 5 lines of the chapter, dear, please.
Okay, ma'am. It was in the year 1895. We are residing close to a library to make some researches in early English. Ma'am, what is this?
1 second. The first word you had, and it was you have, it was in the year You read, where you read? Can you please repeat that word?
Yes, ma'am. We were residing close to a library to make some researches in early English. Ma'am, what is this?
Charters. Charters.
Charters. One evening, we received a visit from a person whom we knew, Hilton Soames. He was a tall man of a nervous and excited. Ma'am, what is this?
Excitable temperament.
Excitable temperament. It was cle- it was
Was
clear that
clear
he
that
was
he was
extremely
extremely agitated over something. See, some hard words are there. I mean, giving you the words as well as the meaning. So underline that words and write down the meaning there. So the first word which I found, see, I'm reading also. It was in the year 1895. We were residing, residing, residing have been from resident, मतलब जहां हम रहते हैं, ठीक है. We were residing close to a library to make some. So residing where we used to live. Second word is temperament. Temperament कहते हैं नेचर को, ठीक है. आप इसका मीनिंग आप लिख सकते हो. Temperament, a person's character, especially as it affects the way. मतलब कोई इंसान किस नेचर का है, that is called temperament, ठीक है. So it was in the year 1895. We were residing close to a library to make some researches in early English charters. One evening, we received a visit from a person whom we knew, Hilton Soames. He was a tall man of nervous and excitable temperament. हड़बड़ाहट वाला इंसान कहते हैं ना, है ना. तो थोड़ा सा किसी चीज को लेके जल्दी नर्वस होने लगता है. मतलब एक होता है गंभीर, जिसको आप लोग बोलते हो काम, है ना, शांत स्वभाव का. एक अगर बहुत नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में बोले तो जिस बहुत जल्दी घबरा भी जाता हो, हर बढ़ाने वाला नेचर, दैट इज कॉल्ड. It was clear that he was extremely agitated over something. Again, mark the word, that is agitated. 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 A-G-I-T-A-T-E-D. Agitated का मतलब होता है worried or excited. Agitated means worried or excited. Mr. Holmes. Now see, this is actually what I used to tell you, that it is an act, है ना. और act है तो यहाँ characters हैं. ऋतुराज. अच्छा बच्चों देखो, वीडियो ऑफ करके मत बैठना मेरे क्लास में, फिर मैं ऐसे बच्चों को फिर मैं क्लास में नहीं लूंगी. बहुत आज फर्स्ट डे है, मेरे साइड से भी कुछ लूप होल्स हुए हैं, तो लेट इट बी. आज तो चल रहा है, कल से हम लोग प्रॉपर क्लासेस में होंगे. और अभी तो फिलहाल मैं ही हूँ जब तक आपके ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रहे हैं, है ना. तो आप वीडियोस ऑफ नहीं करेंगे, एंड whatever we have done today, we will not going to do it again. What is this? It happens today. मुझे, I'm sorry, जब sections are from my side also. आज तो मेरे तरफ से भी डिस्टर्ब हुआ है आपका क्लास. So I'm not going to do it. Yeah, I am not going to scold you anymore. But we will be careful from yesterday, from tomorrow. So आज चैप्टर रहने दो आज, है ना. अभी तो हम लोग ऐसे ही करते. Let's have some reading sections जितने देर क्लास चलता है, बिकॉज मैम हम लोगों की पुरानी मैम ने वर्ड मीनिंग्स लिखवा दिया है पेज नंबर 61 तक. That's so sweet of you. That's so sweet of her. है ना, बहुत अच्छा करा है ना. She's a good teacher. And I will try my best कि मैं भी आपको उतना ही comfortable feel करा सकूं जितना आपके previous teacher ने आपको करा रखा था. I know the students used to share a special bond with their teachers, and obviously she is teaching from, वो शुरू से आपको वही पढ़ा रही है ना. शिल्पा मैम ही पढ़ा रही थी. शिल्पा मैम नहीं पढ़ा रही थी. कौन पढ़ा रहा था? आलिया, कौन पढ़ा रहा था आपको पहले? अच्छा, विनीता मैम पढ़ा रही थी. अच्छा, विनीता मैम के बाद फिर मिला शिल्पा मैम को, और फिर शिल्पा मैम से मिल गया सुप्रिया मैम को. सी दिस इज ऑल, ये हमारे कोरोना महाराज का देन है ना. पता नहीं कब जाएंगे. जिंदगी को हमारे हेल बना के रख दिया है. कभी ऑनलाइन बुलाता है, कभी ऑफलाइन बुलाता है, and it has created a great mess. But what to do? We all are helpless actually. And we all can pray only to God and have some safety precaution, and this wasn't required. अच्छा, in between Dilip sir two taught us. Very good. Dilip sir भी आ गए हैं. कितने टीचर्स आप लोगों को पढ़ाए बच्चे? तन्वी, पूरे सेशन यही हुआ है क्या? आप लोग का टीचर्स चेंजेस होते रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
ओह,
Ma'am,
oh my goodness, पहले विनीता मैम, रेनू मैम, वो सारे इंग्लिश टीचर्स ने ज्वाइन कर ही लिया है 6F को, एनजी को.
yes, and partially schools were open, then Dilip sir was teaching us.
ओह सो अभी ठीक है. तब ओके, तभी आपका कोई बॉन्डिंग कुछ खास किसी के साथ बना होगा नहीं. मुझे सबसे बुरा यही लग रहा था कि बच्चों का बॉन्ड, एक टीचर विनीता मैम, देन रेनू मैम, देन शिल्पा मैम, सुप्रिया मैम. ओके ओके, गॉट इट. चलो ठीक है, कोशिश करेंगे कि अभी चेंज नहीं हो, है ना. कि आज मेरे बच्चे भी जिनको मैं पढ़ा रही थी, आज वो भी मुझे ऑब्वियसली जैसे आपको लग रहा है, बट मैं जिनको पढ़ा रही थी मैं उनको पूरा पढ़ा ही रही थी, तो शुरू से अंत तक, last and today they are going to have a surprise element by taking Shilpa their class. तो ठीक है, it's okay, it happens, life is full of surprises. Let's enjoy this surprise. Okay, so have some reading time. चलो कुछ रीडिंग करें हम लोग. किससे? आंचल, अनम्यूट करो. जब तक क्लास चलता है तब लोग हम लोग रीडिंग करेंगे. आंचल, बेटा दो डायलॉग्स पढ़ो, टू डायलॉग्स फ्रॉम ईच वन. और आज का आपका होमवर्क भी यही होगा. कल हम लोग रीडिंग करेंगे, ठीक है? सारे बच्चे इसको रीड करके बैठेंगे, अपने हार्ड वर्ड्स मार्क करके बैठेंगे. चलो आंचल, शुरू करते हैं.
Ma'am, Soames, Mr. Holmes, can you spare me a few hours of your valuable time? We have had a very painful incident at the college. Holmes, oh really?
That's it, done. Siddharth Gupta, unmute. Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो. Next two.
Yes, ma'am. Today about 3 o'clock, the proofs of this paper arrived from the printers. I had to read them carefully.
No, from not there. I must explain to you, Mr. Holmes.
I must explain to Mr. Holmes, tomorrow is the first day of the examination.